Bonjour à tous! Welcome to French with Love. I'm Benjamin. It's our new video on French pronunciations. Today we will learn how to pronounce another beautiful sentence in French. If you are ready, let's work on this sentence word by word. And don't forget, there will be a dictée at the end of this video. So, today's sentence is a proverb. L'argent n'a pas d'odeur. Let's begin. The first word is l'argent. As you know, in French we use an article before every noun. Argent means money, and it is a masculine singular noun. So we need to use the article le before it. But since le ends with an i and argent starts with a vowel, we need to combine these two words with an apostrophe. So it's not le argent, it's l'argent. Another difficulty is the combination of E and N. Be careful, it's a nasal sound. Try to pronounce it like me. En. Argent. Argent. As you have noticed, we don't pronounce the letter T at the end of this word. Repeat after me. There is only one way to pronounce this word, and it's argent. With the L, l'argent. Try. L'argent. 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 To get more detailed explanation about the letter combination and grammar topics, you can always refer to our books and our videos. We will be more than happy to welcome you as our new VIP member. Today's sentence is a negative sentence, so we will analyze the group of words. When you see the duo ne or n apostrophe and pas, it means that you are reading a negative sentence. Negative sentence in French is a condensed topic. So, once again, you can check our courses for more details on this subject. Today we focus on pronunciations only. It's n'a pas. Quite easy, right? N'a pas. A is the conjugation of the verb avoir, which means to have, in the present tense. You can watch or rewatch the second episode of our first season to get more details about the conjugation of the verb avoir. Also, as you know, since ne ends with e and a is a vowel, we can't say ne a. We must combine these two words, so we say na. Also, be careful to the pronunciation of the word pas. We don't pronounce the letter S at the end. It's not pass, because it will be another word. It's pas. It's very, very important. So always try to pronounce this word like me. Pas. Whenever you see this word, its only pronunciation is pas. Next word. Odeur means smell. But in this sentence we use d'odeur. It's the combination of the words de and odeur. Keep in mind, the combination of the letter E and U gives us the sound E. So repeat after me. Odeur. D'odeur. From the beginning, l'argent n'a pas d'odeur. L'argent n'a pas d'odeur. L'argent n'a pas d'odeur. And we are done. I guess you found out what this proverb means. You can translate it and write your answers in the comments. Also, if you know the origin of these proverbs, you can share it with us. If you don't, I invite you to our Instagram pages to know more. From now on, whenever you see these words, you will know how to pronounce them perfectly. So, till the next time, do not forget to like this video and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button not to miss our next videos. Stay with love. Dictée time. Today's dictée will be very easy. I will use all the words that we have learned today and in our previous videos. So, try to write down my sentence right now. Are you ready? I will say it in French. L'argent est un besoin. Je le sais. That's it. L'argent est un besoin. Je le sais. Try to write it down. L'argent est un besoin. Je le sais. If you have any questions, you can contact us anytime. Stay with love.